Welcome to Uniguru, your trusted immigration partner. Big changes are coming to Australian immigration in 2025, and they're set to reshape the journey for thousands of migrants. In this video, we'll break down the latest policy updates and explain how they might affect your plans to live, work, or study in Australia. From July 1st, the new Core Skills Occupation List, CSOL, will prioritize skilled migrants in high-demand fields, streamlining approvals. The Skills in Demand (SID) visa, launched on April 3, replaces the temporary skill shortage visa with a more efficient and targeted system. Starting September 1, skilled workers will face updated income thresholds to better reflect Australia's cost of living. International students should prepare for higher English language requirements beginning in June, aimed at improving academic performance. From May 1, new regional migration initiatives will offer incentives for those moving to less populated areas of Australia. These reforms aim to balance workforce needs while supporting sustainable population growth. Whether you're a student, professional, or family member, these changes could impact your eligibility and visa path. Australia's immigration system is evolving to better meet national needs and ensure long-term success for new arrivals. Staying updated and prepared is key to navigating these policy shifts with confidence. Subscribe for more updates and guidance to help you plan your future in Australia the smart way.